This program is brought to you by Ministry of Education and Vocational Training, UNICEF, and the Global Partnership for Education.
Dear viewers, do you know how to get the answers? Do you know how to get the answer? Try to multiply them. Hello, my dear viewer. Welcome to our mathematics lesson. I'm Mr. Ali. Can you tell us your answer? How did you get that? What is your answer, my viewer? It is a 4. Very good. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Very good. My dear viewer, do you remember mathematical table? Can I ask you? So, what is 3 times 1? 3. Very good. 3 times 2? It is 6. Very good. And what is 3 times 3? 9. Very good. And what is 4 times 1? What is 4 times 1? Good, it is 4. 4 times 2? It is 8. Very good. And 4 times 3? 12. Very good. Therefore, multiples of 3 are, can you tell me? Okay, good. It is 3. It means 3 times 1. 3 times 2? 6. Very good. Then 3 times 3? 9. Very good. Times 4 is 12. And so on. So they are multiples of 3. And what are multiples of 4? What are multiples of 4? We start with them. Okay, good. We start with 4. Very good. Then 8. Then 12. Good. Then 16. And so on. Very good. My dear viewer, can you please list multiples of 4 less than 31? You may use multiplication table. Okay, very good. So the multiples of 4 less than 31, what are they? We start with them. 4, good. Then 8. Then 12. Then 16, good. Then 20. Then 24. And then 28. So those are what? Are multiples of 4 less than 31. Okay, now please list multiples of 3 less than 31. What are they? Very good. The multiples of 3 less than 31 are, we start with the 3, good, and then 6, then 31, very good. Then 24. Then, yeah, 27, very good. And then 30. So here are multiples of 3 less than 31. Very good. Could you now please stand up, all of you? Stand up, stand up, stand up. So let's do exercise with your friends.
1 times 1 is equal to 1. 2 times 2 is equal to 4.
Very good. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, please. Now, let us look how to find the common multiples. How to find the common multiples of two numbers. Let us look how to find the common multiple of the two numbers. Do you remember the numbers? The numbers are 4 and 3. The common multiples of 4 and 3, which are less than 31. Very good. So what are the common multiples? We just pick from these multiples, from those two numbers, from this list of 4 and this list of 3. What are common multiples? So we can find here, there is a number, number 12. Number 12 is common. It is here in multiples of 3 and in multiples of 4. So it is common. And what another number is 24. 24 is there and 24 is here. So they are also common. So the common multiples of 4 and 3 less than 31 are 12 and what? And 24. Very good. The common multiples are 12 and 24. So which one is the lowest among the two numbers? Here is our common multiples. So which one is the lowest? Very good. The lowest is what? It is 12. Very good. So 12 is the lowest. So we say that the LCM of 4 and 3 is what? Is 12. The LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So 12 is called the lowest common multiple of 4 and 3, or it is the least common multiple of 4 and 3. Very good. Now solve the following problem for more practice. Find the lowest common multiple of 10 and 20. Find the lowest common multiple of 10 and 20. Okay, let's do together. Let us do together. So we start to find multiples of what? Multiples of 10. Very good. Start to find the multiples of 10. We start with 10 and then 20. Very good. After 20, 30. Okay, good. And then 40. 40. After 40, 50. And so on. And so on. Those are multiples of what? Multiples of 10. And what about multiples of 20? Then we find multiples of 20. What are they? We start with them. Good. We start with 20. And then 40. Good. And then it comes 60. That is 20 times 3. And then it comes 80. It is enough. And so on. So what are the common multiples? What are the common multiples between number 10 and 20? Can you list them? Okay, so the common multiples are, let's pick them. 20, it is in both. 20 is in both. It is 20 here and 20 there. So they are common. What another number is common? 40, very good. So 40 is also common here. It is 40 here and 40 there. So the common multiples of 10 and 20, for here we have 20, good. Another common multiple and 40, very good. So here are common multiple. So which is the lowest? Which is the lowest between these multiples? Very good. So 20 here is the lowest. Therefore, the LCM of 10 and 20 is what? Is 20. Very good. LCM of 10 and 20 is 20. Very good. My dear pupil, we have done a wonderful work. So now, please stand up to praise ourselves. Stand up, please. Stand up. Okay, we'll clap by multiples of 2. Do you know multiples of 2? What is 2 times 1? It is 2. So when I say 2 times 1, it means that we clap 2 times. And what is 2 times 2? And what is 2 times 2? It is 4. It means when I say 2 times 2, we'll clap 4 times. Okay, let's start together. 2 times 1? 1, 2. 2 times 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So sit down now, my dear viewer. Sit down. Sit down now, my dear viewer. So now copy and do the following exercise for practice. Write down the lowest common multiple of number 1, 2, and 3. Number 1, 2, and 3. Number 2, 3 and 5. Number 2, 3 and 5. Number 3, 6 and 9. Number 3, 6 and 9. Number 4, 15 and 30. Number 4, 15 and 30. Dear pupils and other viewers, here is the end of our program today. You are with me, Mr. Ali. See you next time. Bye-bye.